So, uh, welcome to HTML class. You can type your code using Notepad. The numbered Notepad that comes with a Windows application. I especially create this particular folder to put our documents in. So, for example, now I want to create a document, call it first class. So on HTML, you save as normal savings. So I'm placing it on desktop. My desktop, okay, this is my desktop. On my desktop, I create HTML file. So the name of the document I'm creating an empty document now. So let's call it class 1. Class 1. So save as, you can see it here, it says HTML. No, I'm not saving as HTML. I want to save it as the text file. So there is nothing like text file. If you click on the drop down, it will just give you all files. Put it on all files and just go to the file name, put .html. So that .html has make the document to be an hypertext markup file. If I save it, I'm saving it into the folder I created on the desktop. This particular folder. Let me open the folder and you see the content of the folder. So if you see the folder, you see you have an icon, an internet Edge icon. So if I click on this file, it will run on internet browser. It's showing empty just because the file is empty. So now let's go to the coding area. I'll be using this notepad to type the code. If you want to create any document in HTML, you start with this tag HTML. So creating a document, and you end up using /HTML as that's the end of the document. I say a document is HTML is divided into two sections. You have the header h.h, and the header will end up with .head. So I put a backslash. That's a tag for head, then a tag for body, and I will end up the body using backslash body. So I can save my documents. If I save my documents, since I did not put any text other than the tag to indicate the head section and the body section, the entire the output will be blank. Let me double click to see. You see that the output here is what is blank. So let me go back to the code. Now this is the body. So I want to type something in my first class. Just me type a text in the body, my first class. So let me save it back. Let's refresh it. My first class will come down here on the screen. I will refresh it here, come down here. My first class it has appeared. So I can still go back again. If I want my first class, if I want to indicate that this is a heading, first heading, that's I'm going to use h1 as tag. H1 means heading head 1. So an heading of a particular text. So instead of you having it in small letters, in small font size, it will increase the size and bold it. You can see it has increased the size and it is bold. So I can also go further again to that notepad. So this is the notepad I'm working on. Let's try to center the text. You type centered using American spelling. Centered slash. The text will be centered. Will be placed at the middle of the page. Refresh. Oh, let me see. Centered. American spelling. There's an error here. So centered. So that's the spelling. So refresh it. It will place it at the center. So U for underline. Okay, I want only first to be underlined. I want only the word first to be underlined. I stop it here so that it will not extend to class. Let's save it. It has been underlined. Can you see? So this is how to create HTML file using Notepad. So how to create HTML file using Notepad. So that's how to create HTML file using Notepad. Already I saved. The name of the file is class1.html. So wait for the next video. Thanks.